Okay, we've got a freezer that's he says isn't working, doing nothing at all. So let's see, balance pressures, check the fuses, they're all good. What's going on? Okay, so the unit came on and it just pumped down. So that tells me we don't have temperature controls not calling, or in the brand new evaporator. So temperature control not calling, or the liquid line solenoid died in the brand new evaporator. Let's go see. This is a pretty cool idea. It's a new evap pipe put in. Freezer. There's a suction line. Did a new suction line. I gotta do a couple. I've got some special clamps, some stainless steel clamps. I just use these for right now. Put a new suction line. But the temperature control's in here, and I think they get these racks and smash them against here all the time. Yeah, it's not so good. Let's see what the temperature control is reading. Wonder what's going on with it. Oh, there's a temperature control thingy. Okay. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys something that I just did for the first time. This is pretty cool. You can put the backpack on one of these racks, and you can work out of your backpack. Just having it hang there. You just need to bring a meter a couple things. Okay, so temperature control set at, what's that, 5 degrees? Yeah, it's gotta be like, that's like 5 degrees, okay? So the room right now is just refrigerated. So it's 35 or something. Or actually it was like 50 degrees a while ago. So let's check this control and see if it's open. Let's check that. Okay. We got. Okay, so. Okay, should be able to hear that. Okay, so that's. Should be tone. And let's check this up here, which I just checked, and it's freaking open. Brand new. There it is. It's set at 5 degrees. There's my leads across there. An open effing line. Okay, so that's messed up. Okay, time to change the temperature control. Hopefully that's it. That's brand new evaporator. Bad control after a month or 2 months. Maybe the rack, maybe since they bashing the rack into this thing all the time, maybe it doesn't like that, so. I don't know. I don't like mechanical controls, and something. Yeah, I just turned it all the way down and it still doesn't close. Huh. I wonder. Oh. I wonder did all the gas leak out of its little thingy? I don't know. Anyways. So son of a gun. But I don't think I hear a click or anything either. There's no clicks. And get my. Let's see if we got any NorCal Clicks, he likes. Got nothing. Wow. We got nothing. No clicks. Crank that thing all the way down. Still got nothing. On the screws. Nothing. And if I do both of them on the same screw, there we go. The meter works. Okay. So we just install new temperature control. Alright. Let's see what I'm going to do here. I'd like to put in a digital. Okay, it's running. Full sight times too. Nice. Spot off. Okay, it's running. Bad temperature. That's going to be under warranty from the manufacturer. I got to go get the part. Right now I got it just jumped out, so it's just going to run super cold until I get the new temperature control under warranty from the manufacturer. I got to go drive out to Lake Forest. If they have one in stock, I'll change it out today. But I got to go drive out to Lake Forest. All right, thanks, bye. Looks like it's going to work. Here's the amps, each leg. So we got first leg, 10 amps, 1.8. Second leg, 9.2. I have no idea what happened to the audio on this one. I've recorded a lot of videos, like 800 videos. I've never had one that the audio didn't come out on it. I don't know what button I hit or how I did this, but got no audio on the video. So sorry about that, guys. This I think is just me pulling out the temperature control. So I'll just skip through this part. I think it's just about a couple of minutes, a minute or two. I'm just going to, I think, delete the rest of this part of this video. So you guys don't want to listen to me talk as I try to get some audio of what's going on. It's just me pulling out temperature control, and probably saying I don't know what I'm saying here. I have no idea. But anyways, same thing happened on the this second video part of when after I pulled out the control. I know what I'm saying on this one. I just installed a Wago across the wires just to get it going. The freeway's a frickin' parking lot. 641. just replace this temperature control. My thoughts is that basically these racks are at the perfect height that they're smashing the coil and they could possibly be smashing that temperature control. So this is why I put the temperature control back here, double nutted it so it doesn't come loose. Hopefully put the probe, got the new control under warranty because it died after 4 months. I don't know if it got smashed or what, but anyways, just in case, I wanted to redo it because I don't want to be back, hopefully. So put the control back here, put some electrical tape around here so that doesn't rub, put some wire ties here so hopefully this doesn't rub, right here and down there, got wire tie on that there, and dark in here. I don't know if that helps at all, guys. I don't know, maybe. So then did this. So put the wires around here. So doesn't hit anything. Got room between everything, so nothing hits the metal or anything like that. And round edge here. That should be alright. That's like that, and there. So, hopefully it works. Okay, everything's all tight. Yeah, they don't like to run the freezer that cold in here. They only run it about 18-20 degrees, so something like that. So I'm gonna put the cover back on this. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it does. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like on the video, guys. Subscribe. Alright. How to replace a temperature control under warranty so it doesn't get bashed again. Wow, this does work, but it's really tight, but it goes in pretty trouble free. Just I don't like these covers. These plastic covers suck. Heatcraft, these plastic covers suck. But they do go in okay. But yeah, but it works good. Doesn't hit anything. But wow. Anyways, wow. One thing really cool about these Wagos, if you use them on a temperature control or something that's like a open and closed circuit or something, check this out, guys. You can put your meter on tone. Okay, so you know that, okay, we got tone. You should be able to hear that. So all you do is, if you use a Wago, they got the hole, they got the test hole on the top. There you go. You can tell your control is closed or safety. If you use these on safeties or controls, you don't even need to get into anything. You just don't need to get into anything. You can just tell right there. That's pretty cool, huh? Control is in the back now. Okay. And set at 18 or 20 degrees. Okay. It's in the back so it doesn't get smashed no more from the front. This thing out of the drain, out of the thing where I left it loose so we could wash it out. And lo and behold, check this thing. This big old slug thing came out of that drain. I don't know what that is, but frickin' A's, it's, yeah, anyways, I don't know when the last time, I'll look up when the last time I was here. I think it was only like a month or something, but you gotta wash this drain out like every month. Pull that thing apart, because that thing's getting full of junk. So anyways,